I'm here at John Lau Guitar Center, and he's gonna restore my 1967 Fender Strat. I'm here at John Lau Guitar Center, and he's gonna restore my 1967 Fender Strat, which belonged to my late friend and guitarist Amy, and it was painted red. It was originally white, off-white, and we're gonna bring it back to the 1967 off-white color, and with a lot of what do you say? What do you say when you build it? We build it with, you know, we respect to the age and the.
We got to respect the year.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we got to respect the when it was produced in the '68, there was only like 3 colors. Like nowadays, we have like 20 colors available every single year. But last time in the '70s and '60s, they only have like 2 to 3 colors. So you have to follow back the exact color.
Right.
And what we're trying to do is, so we're trying to get back the original parts. I think you're lucky. I have a '60s. I have '60s saddles because the original saddle that came with this were Graphtex. These are modern saddles.
I see.
Right. So we want to use back the. I think you're lucky. I have this.
You got a set of those.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got a set of those. So we're gonna go back to that. I'm gonna change this back to a single ply pickguard because the 3-ply pickguard came much later, not now.
I see.
So we have them, and we also age them. So
Right.
this is how an age. Come down. This is white. What you see, right?
Sorry.
And we also age them. We age them means basically it becomes like this,
Right.
as if it's been used for many years. And if we age them a bit more, it becomes like that. So can you see the color differences? White, age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you get exactly the number of years, 30 over years for this one?
I can only predict up to about 20 years.
Right.
Of what.
Right.
So outside here, as you can see, this is our drying room.
Uh-huh.
We dry guitars.
Okay. Maybe I can.
So I like.
Can I just peep in here real quick? So this is the drying room, right? Yeah.
I like natural drying. After this, I'll show you the spraying room.
Okay.
So this is like one of the guitars that's broken neck, so we're gonna redo it. We're gonna remake it, reconstruct it. So yeah, back to this. So our goal here is to make sure it goes back to its original, how it came out from the factory in 1968.
Right.
That was this is what we're going to try to do. We will also refret it, and we have to respect back the way how the frets were planted in the 60s, which was not top down.
Right.
It was side. So we're going to do that. Even the methodology of us to refurbish the guitar, we're trying to use back the methods that was used in the 1960s. You know, even the paint, nitro, we are getting it specially imported in for these purposes, so that it will, although it's not an original 1968 anymore, we want to try to make sure everything's as original as possible. We will keep all this. We'll keep all this. Yeah, this one, I'll try my best to see what I can do about it. In the meantime, it's a very, very beautiful piece of guitar.
Ah.
Very beautiful.
Well, when Amy sold me this guitar in 2001, he made me promise never to sell it, and that if I were to sell it one day, to sell it back to him. But Amy passed away, as some of you know, in 2010. So now I'm going to bring the guitar back to its original condition. Before his dad painted it red. So it's going to go back to off-white.
I think I have spare. You got spare as well.
Spare what?
You got spare really well.
Okay.
He has this hoarding problem when it comes to guitar parts.
Oh.
You want to see our spray sample?
Sure.
I'm quite proud with that.
So I brought this guitar back from LA just about 2 months ago. It was sitting in storage for the last 4 years after I moved out of there.
The polishing and buffing. So we have from medium to fine. We have special wheels for medium, special wheels for fine. This is where we do dirty custom work. This is our newly finished spray center. So we were working out of a small little room for like 2 years. And recently, what happened was we got a special designer to come and design this spray center. It's called positive air spray center. So this at most that we can go until, because anything that pass here, it's a clean room. So we have a clean room procedure. The reason why we have a clean room is we don't have any dust particles into it. So as you can see inside here, we can go in one more room, this room. So yeah, as you can see, one of these guitars is waiting for its turn. And that room is where we mix all the paint.
Right.
Yeah.
The paint jars, yeah. Gotcha.
Where we mix all the paint. You can see some Ibanez ready, and that white guitar is interesting. It's actually our first custom guitar that we have built. So
under your brand, the JL brand?
Yeah.
Cool, very cool.
So yeah, this is our spray center. It's horrendous mess.
So this is John.
Yo.
John is a bit of a legend in the guitar world in Malaysia.
Wow, you are a legend, bro.
So he builds his own guitars under the JL brand of guitars, so you can get acoustic as well as electric, right?
Oh, electric only.
Just electric only, okay. Electric only, so yeah. If you don't know where to find him, just contact me. Buzz me on Facebook. Okay, we're getting back into the main repair.
How are you, man? These are all my guys.
Alright, hi guys.
We have about 10 of us. Let me show you this place. This room is the reason why we don't have a signboard.
Alright, okay.
Right? So we have a lot
Hi,
of,
hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, we have a lot of very high-end guitars here.
You've got a studio for...
This is our live studio.
Yes.
Yeah, so we go live here, as you can see.
On what days? What days do you do this?
Almost every day.
Okay.
Really? For
He's a live guy.
playing?
No editing.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So we have a lot of sessions. Then we invite friends from all around the world. Come here and just do some live. This is where I do most of the photography for video for the guitars.
Maybe I should get Dean, my performance partner. Then we come here and do one of our we do a show every
I want to
Wednesday.
do one with you.
Yeah, let's do it.
I want to do one with you.
We do a show.
You guys come here.
You know, we do a show every Wednesday called the Borneo Show.
Really?
I play from 8 to 9 every Wednesday night. Yeah.
Guys, I just want to introduce you all someone. I want to introduce you all someone. Hey,
Eh?
come. I want to introduce you all someone.
What?
Yup.
You got blocked. Everyone for you.
Kaveh, I think you might not know this. Alright? I want to introduce someone.
These guys are too young. These guys are too young to remember me.
Now I starting.
No.
From TV.
No, it's not on TV. Yeah, no.
Yes and no.
I
Yeah.
saw,
Okay.
I saw this in your face.
You all might not know this guy, but era.
That era.
era.
The older
That era.
guys.
Alright? If there is one person that is that's in charge, not in charge, involved in bringing rock music, English rock music.
Yeah, English rock music,
English rock
indie
music.
bands.
Alright, English rock music to where we know it is today, I would say it's one person. It's only one person, right? Because if don't have this person, this guy, we will not see rock in the world.
Yeah.
We will not see rock in the world. You all don't know what rock in the world is, right?
You don't know. You
are
don't.
not that old.
Wait, rock.
I always
Rock the World was 03, 04, 05.
Yes.
That kind of time, yeah.
Yeah.
last that I went was next to Maxis Tower KLCC.
Okay.
2005 or 6.
4, I think.
4, yeah.
Probably 4.
When?
Yeah. You remember Music Canteen?
Yes.
Please bring back.
Yeah.
Canteen.
Music Canteen. It was before iTunes, right? I think.
Yes. Way before iTunes and everything. And you see, all these things are all. I mean, he has a band called Single Track Mind, but honestly, my real respect towards you, it's
So-
how you brought your company, which was Pan Global, right?
Yeah.
Pan Global to support
The rock scene.
the rock scene.
Yeah.
Pan Global
It's-
is an insurance company, and he's the boss of that company. And he was one of the very few guys which supported rock music like mainstream. Last time DG, Maxis, no such
that's
thing.
true.
Many rock in the world. many rock in the world. It was big mainstream because of him.
We're talking about Jason Lowe time,
Yeah, Jason
Even
Lowe
Star, you know those guys.
This guy, to me whatever that you all see now is a residual of what he did
No.
20 years ago.
But it's nice to meet all of you anyway. Thank you for restoring my guitar back to 1967.
And I'm just gonna tell you one thing. I mean, I have a confession to make. You know. I think
Yeah.
the reason why I am in the music industry also is also I saw his album cover. No reason.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. No reason. Right?
No
The
reason.
album cover.
The first one, yeah.
That's 2002, 2003, right?
Three.
That time, no nice guitar one. Everyone, the mainstream guy used Epiphone and everything like that. Your album cover
Jeez.
was a PRS. That time I didn't know who he was, what he was doing. I thought it was just a band. I was like, fuck, play music and buy PRS. So I told myself, I'm going to become a musician. So at least can afford a PRS, you know. Because that time I didn't know that, musician.
To this day, I regret that cover because I play guitar just to compose music. I don't shred. I don't even know how to do many things. And that PRS was played by Shah Slam for my album. He did all the tracking work and Amy, you know.
Right.
And to this day, I go, what a twat you were for posing with a PRS guitar.
Last time don't have one. Really don't have one. Really don't have one. Last time don't have one. And then the time Amy is NGD's one of
NRG.
NRG. Sorry.
Yeah, NRG.
New Gear Day.
Yeah.
NRG's first.
Yeah.
This was before Monkey Down Sun and everything all came in.
Yeah, sure.
It was one of the first few ones. So I met.
He was my
him,
buddy. Yeah.
about 10 years ago.
Passed away in 2010, and then the band just died.
Right.
Then I revived the band before COVID. We practiced for one whole year in Titi Wangsa. And then during COVID, my drummer and my bass player kind of falling out. So I lost my drummer after 1 year of practice. So
But Alex,
back to square one.
Nonetheless, thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you guys for. I can't wait to see that.
Yeah.
End of September, you said, right? Yeah.
Just give us some time on it. But thank you for for your work.
No.
Bring I truly believe that you helped bring English rock music.
Oh,
to
thanks.
mainstream.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you. Well, nice to meet all of you. It's an incredible welcome. I don't deserve that, but say hi to the guys. Say hi. This is my Facebook. Facebook watching all this. So I'll post this. I'll post this tonight.
Yeah, right.
All right. See you guys.
Okay.